If you are getting some information from my videos, please subscribe my channel for every update. Hello guys, in previous video we have seen about anchor tags. Okay, anchor tag defines hyperlink to link one page to another page. Okay, in anchor tag we have seen href attribute, clickable text also. Okay, types of link using anchor tag, external link, internal link, email, uh, telephone, and download attribute. Okay, we have seen these attributes. Okay, we have seen target attribute, download attribute, and title attribute also. Okay, we have seen two ways of path. Okay, two types of path. Okay, first is absolute and second is relative. Absolute path contains protocol domain name and full path. Okay, in a relative link there is no protocol or domain name, only file path is given in relative link. Okay, we have seen use cases of that also. Okay, we have seen the target attribute and its value. We have seen download attribute also. In that download attribute we have to set the name for that file when user will download that file. Okay, now we are going to see images, video, and audio tags. Okay, in images tag and its attribute. First is image tag and its attribute. Image tag, first we will use image and its attribute. Okay, image tag and its attribute. Okay, now we are going to add img tag. Img tag is the image attribute image tag. Okay, in image tag first there is given src attribute and alternate tag, attribute. Okay, in src attribute we have to set file path of that video. Okay, of that image, and in our project we have to create one folder with name assets. In that asset we have to uh, collect all the images and videos and sounds, audios in that asset folder. Okay, in asset folder I have created asset folder. In that asset folder I have added one cat image. Okay, and in alternate text we have to describe that image. Okay, that image is about what. Okay, I will describe that image as image of cat. Okay. Now we have given alternate text to that image. Okay, we will see that image. Okay, output of this image. Okay, this is output of our image. Okay, but it is not showing properly. We have to give height and width attribute. Okay, we will set fix it as a 200 pixel height and width with 300 pixels. This is our image. It is now showing properly. Okay, yeah, in image tag src attribute is used. Src stands for source. Okay, it tells the browser where the image is located. That is src. In src folder this is our path of our image. alt stands for alternative text. Okay, it describes the image if it cannot be displayed. If sometimes in our image the file path is incorrect, it is not showing properly in our browser. That's why we have to describe that image. This is the importance of this alternate text. Okay, when we are not giving proper alternative text image will not displayed properly. If sometimes our path will be incorrect, okay, the image will not shown in our browser, okay, and no any text will be shown in that, okay. I will paste this alternative text of that describe the image, okay. When we now we have added alternative text for it, okay. Now it is showing image of cat, okay. This is the alternative importance of this alternative text, okay. Now we will see the next attribute. We have seen SRC attribute, alternative attribute, width attribute, and height attribute. Now we will add title attribute. Title attribute we have already seen in anchor tag and previous video also. Okay. In title, tooltip text on hover will be shown. Okay. When we are adding title attribute in image tag, and in that title attribute we are giving value cat image, okay. When we will hover this image, this text will be displayed, okay. Cat image, okay. This is the importance of this title attribute, okay. Now we will see the loading attribute. When we are using loading attribute, in loading attribute we have two values. First is lazy and second is eager, okay. We will see the use of these two values. Lazy attribute value, the image will only load when it's about to come into the user's viewport. When we are giving value to loading, that lazy, okay. ये जो इमेज है जब यूजर के व्यू पोर्ट में आएगी, अभी HTML पेज दिख रहा है यहाँ लास्ट आखिर में, जब यूजर इसे स्क्रॉल करेगा और ये इमेज इसके नीचे होगी, तभी ये धीरे धीरे से लोड होने लग जाएगी, जब वो यूजर ऊपर स्क्रॉल करेगा तभी इसका ये यूज होता है लोडिंग एट्रीब्यूट का, lazy loading in HTML, okay. When you use loading equal to lazy on an image, the browser doesn't load image right away when page opens. That means ये पेज जब भी ओपन होता है तभी ये पूरा का पूरा पेज डाउनलोड नहीं होता, ये जितना यूजर को विजिबल होता है उतना ही डाउनलोडेड पेज होता है, और जब यूजर धीरे धीरे से नीचे स्क्रॉल करता जाएगा वैसे वैसे वो इमेजेस डाउनलोड होके व्यू हो जाएगी, ओके। लेजी एट्रीब्यूट लेजी वैल्यू का ये यूज है, ओके। Instead, the image is loading only when the user scrolls close to it, meaning the image is about to appear on the screen viewport. This is helpful on mobile or slow network. Save data for users. Eager, okay. Loading attribute with eager, okay. When we use here, we'll add one more image, img with src dot slash assets. We will add now 7 horses. In alternate text we are giving 7 horses name, okay. In this we are giving loading attribute with value eager, and giving height with 200 pixels. This is the image, okay. ये लोडिंग एट्रीब्यूट का फायदा क्या है, ये पूरा का पूरा पेज ओपन होते ही पूरा का पूरा पेज डाउनलोड हो जाता है. The image loads immediately regardless whether it's visible. ये क्या है, इसका यूज क्या है, ईगर वैल्यू का यूजर को ये नीचे का कंटेंट दिख नहीं रहा तो भी वो ऑलरेडी डाउनलोड हुआ है, ये डेटा कंज्यूमिंग है। ओके, बट इफ यू डोंट यूज लोडिंग एट्रीब्यूट, ओके वी विल सी। जब आपने ये दोनों ऐड ही नहीं किए आपके यहाँ वेबसाइट में, इमेज एट्रीब्यूट में, ओके इमेज टैग में, तब क्या स्पेसिफाई इफ यू डोंट use loading attribute, if you don't specify the loading attribute, the browser decides when to load the image, typically by default eager value। आपने इन लोडिंग एट्रीब्यूट्स को यूज ही नहीं किया आपके इमेज टैग में, तो ये बाय डिफॉल्ट ईगर वैल्यू रखेगा। जब भी वो यूजर आपकी वेबसाइट को विजिट करेगा वो ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड होगा कंटेंट, जैसे ही स्क्रॉल करेगा वो डायरेक्टली विजिबल होगा यूजर को। ओके, गुड प्रैक्टिसेस अबाउट image tag, always include the alternate text, okay use optimized image size, okay you have to use proper height and width to your images, okay and give proper description about that image। Now we will see HTML media tags, okay? Media tags, in media tags we are using only three tags: video, audio and source tag। First we will see video tag. Video is the main container tag, in video tag we have to given src attribute in video tag, okay in src attribute we have to give path of that video, okay now I am adding this one video, okay when I have added this video, this is not seeing visible properly, okay have to set it height and width, okay we have to add attribute with height name, 300 pixel height is given and width with 400 pixels, okay now it is able to see properly, but it is here there are no controls to play pause a video or unmute video, okay now we will see for that we have to add some attribute in video tag, okay first attribute is control, shows video players controls, okay controls add play pause and volume controls, okay when we are adding here controls attribute, okay now it is visible to play pause or mute unmute or download options, okay in controls attribute these are include, okay in controls attribute, okay we are able there are 4 to 5 attributes, okay first is control, second is autoplay, muted, loop, poster, okay we will see one by one, we have seen now control attribute, okay now we will see autoplay attribute when we are adding in when we are adding autoplay attribute, the video will directly when user will visit our website video will directly play, okay started play user doesn't need to uh, play that video, okay that we are directly showing with playing, okay now we will use muted attribute, okay when we are using muted attribute, okay in muted attribute uh, this video will be muted, sound is off of that video, okay We will add next attribute loop. When we use loop attribute, the video will play repeatedly. For this and this is ended, and now it is started again from starting. Okay, this is the use of loop when we are using poster attribute. Okay, now we will add poster attribute. Okay, for this we doesn't need to set any value for control attribute value, autoplay attribute, muted attribute, and a loop attribute. But for poster attribute we have to set value. Okay, poster attribute is the thumbnail. Okay, थंबनेल इमेज बिफोर वीडियो प्लेस। जब भी आप यूट्यूब पे कौन सा भी वीडियो अपलोड करने जाते हो, तब आपको थंबनेल का ऑप्शन दिख जाता है और उसको प्ले करने से पहले वो इमेज दिख जाती है, उसको पोस्टर कहते हैं ये वेबसाइट में। अब ऐड करेंगे पोस्टर एट्रीब्यूट में, एसेट फोल्डर में से कैट की इमेज यूज करेंगे हम। ओके ओके, ये इमेज ऐड कर दिए। अभी ये ऑटोमेटिकली प्ले हो रहा है, ऑटो प्ले का ऑप्शन एक्टिवेट है, इसलिए वो ऑटोमेटिकली प्ले हो रहा है। अभी ये पोस्टर बन के यहाँ पर वीडियो से पहले सेट हुआ है। जब भी ये यूज़र आपकी वेबसाइट को विजिट करेगा, तभी ये कैट का पोस्टर दिखेगा उसको। ओके, we have seen height and width attribute. Okay, audio tag. Now we will see audio tag. In audio tag is used to embed music or sound. Okay, ऑडियो टैग किस लिए यूज किया जाता है? ऑडियो टैग म्यूजिक और रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए यूज किया जाता है, म्यूजिक और साउंड के लिए। H6 we are adding audio tag. Okay, in audio tag we are going to add src. In audio tag src attribute is given. Okay, in src attribute now we will give add some audio. Okay, I have added this audio in asset folder. Okay, uh, now I am adding this sound. Okay, audio. This audio is not visible. Okay, okay. This is not visible. Okay, why it is not visible? Because we have not given controls. Now we will add controls attribute. Okay, gives the user play pause options. Okay, then we will use here controls attribute. This audio will be now able to play and stop, pause. Okay, भी ऑडियो में भी वही एट्रीब्यूट यूज किए जाते हैं। ओके, कंट्रोल्स एट्रीब्यूट ऐड किया है हमने। ऑटो प्ले का एट्रीब्यूट देखेंगे अभी। when we are using auto play attribute, this is not working. Wait, start audio automatically. Okay, we have added this. When we use autoplay attribute, it will start automatically, but it is not working properly in my laptop. Okay, uh, loop loop attribute is also same as video. Okay, and muted also same as video. Okay, you can try this also. Okay, we will add I will add this muted. Okay, this video is now muted. Okay, this is working now properly. This is now muted. Okay, muted attribute we have used, that's why sound is off. Okay, and okay, muted by default. Okay. Now we will see source at source tag. The source tag allows us to add multiple formats for the better browser compatibility. If one format isn't supported, the browser tries the next one. Okay, the source tag is used inside video or audio element it to define media file sources. It files it helps browser choose the best compatibility. Okay, ये source इसलिए यूज किया जाता है, वो ब्राउजर सपोर्ट के लिए यूज किया जाता है. Okay, we will try this one also. Okay, this is used for mp4 or video. There are also attributes like source and type attribute is also one given in source tag. Okay, media MIME stands for multi-purpose internet mail extension type. Okay, we have to set type. Okay, now we will see that one example of source tag. Add this source tag inside video tag. Okay, video tag inside video tag we are using source tag. Okay, in source tag we have to give src. Source tag is used inside the video and audio tags. Okay, inside source tag we are using src attribute. Okay, now here we are giving path. सोर्स टैग यूज करने के लिए उसे वीडियो और ऑडियो टैग के बीच में यूज किया जाता है. ओके, ये बड़े बड़ी वेबसाइट्स जहाँ पर पिक्चर डाउनलोड अपलोड किए जाते हैं और यूजर्स को डाउनलोड करने का ऑप्शन दिया जाता है, वहाँ पर ये सोर्स टैग यूज किया जाता है मोस्टली इन लार्ज वेबसाइट्स. वी आर नॉट seeing it, only seeing the theoretical about source tag. Okay. In this source tag is used, source attribute is used, type attribute used, and media attributes are used in source tag. We are using src attribute. Okay, like this. Okay, we have used a video tag, and inside of the video tag we have used a source tag, and inside of source tag we have given src attribute. Okay, in src attribute we have to add that video path. Okay, this is added here, and now we have to give the attributes controls muted or repeated in video tag. Okay, inside video tag, and height width also. Okay, inside of that video tag we are giving height width attributes. So for today, this is completed. In next video we will see table tag and form tags. Okay, thank you for today. This is completed. Media, video, audio, and source tag are completed. Thank you.